quick quiz.
¿Crees saber el nombre de todos estos países latinoamericanos?
Let's do it.
Do you know the correct name of this flag?
Argelia,
Or
Argentina,
The correct answer is...
Argentina,
Did you know the answer? Let's continue with the next one.
México,
or
Marruecos,
The correct answer is...
México,
the next.
El Salvador,
Or
Senegal,
The correct answer is...
El Salvador,
Well, I think it's getting a little harder.
Claro que... Ay, como que... No.
Level 2. What is the name of this flag?
España,
or
Ecuador,
The correct answer is...
Ecuador,
One more.
What is the name of this flag?
Colombia,
or
Costa Rica,
The correct answer is...
Colombia,
Do you like this video?
La verdad es que sí.
What countries do you know?
What is the name of this flag?
Costa Rica,
or
Croacia,
The correct answer is...
Costa Rica,
Muy bien, el que sigue.
What is the name of this flag?
Holanda,
or
Honduras.
The correct answer is...
Honduras.
Bolivia,
or
Belice.
The correct answer is...
Bolivia,
do you want to see one more flag?
Sorpréndeme.
What is the name of this flag?
Panamá,
Or
Paraguay.
The correct answer is...
Panamá,
¿Pero qué ha pasado?
it's a little joke.
The correct answer is...
Paraguay.
What is the name of this flag?
Grecia.
Or
Guatemala,
The correct answer is...
Guatemala,
What is the name of this flag?
Polonia,
or
Panamá,
The correct answer is...
Panamá,
How many flags did you know until now?
Es una muy buena pregunta, la verdad, y no sé qué contestarte.
What is the name of this flag?
Bélgica,
or
Brasil,
The correct answer is...
Brasil,
El resultado fue como esperaba.
Level 3.